Hello friends, in today's video I'll show you how to tag someone on WhatsApp group chat. If you tag someone on WhatsApp group, that person will receive a notifications even if he has muted the group and stopped notifications for that group. So to begin, open your WhatsApp on your device, locate and search for the group you want to tag someone, then you tap on the group to open the group conversation. Once in the group page, tap on the text feed below. At the bottom of the feed, tap the numbers, the 1, 2, 3 numbers below to open numerical and special characters. Then you tap the @ symbol. Then you will see the list of group members on the group. You select the person you want to message. And after that, you type your message as you normally do. Then you press the send key to send the message. Now, this friend will receive the notification even if he has muted notifications from the group. That's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Hit the like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.